Hi, I'm Kevin from Quantum Controls, one of the UK's leading electrical control panel manufacturers, and today I'm going to show you the 7 essential steps to control panel design. First, we need a detailed functionality specification from you. Then our engineers design a suitable control panel to match your requirements and issue a detailed proposal including price and lead time. Once an order is placed, we prepare the CAD schematic drawings for both the panel layout and the electrical circuit of the panel for your approval. At step 4, we manufacture the control panel. Quantum Controls have full ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHAS 18001, ASTA certified bus bars and BSEN 61439 accreditation. All our panels are manufactured and tested using these manufacturing standards. Next is the factory acceptance test. This includes a full functionality witness test by you at our facility. Then deliver the control panel to your site, providing installation and commissioning services by qualified engineers when requested. All of our control panels come with a comprehensive documentation package upon handover. This package briefly contains as-built drawings for control panel, operation and maintenance manuals, one paper copy and electronic copy, declaration of conformity, CE marking, meeting minutes and correspondence, FDS and design, complete and signed FAT sheets, certificate of conformity, drawing register, parts list with recommended spares, technical data sheets. So, if you're looking for a company who can interpret and understand your requirements, if you want to deal with qualified engineers, not salespeople, and you want a cradle-to-grave service for your control panel needs, whatever the size and complexity of the product, then Quantum are the right choice for you. Call us at 0330 9000 247 or email sales@quantum-controls.co.uk.